Understanding, You're the Expert, a guide to English expressions. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, you're the expert. This expression is commonly used in conversations, but what does it really mean? Whether you're learning English as a second language or just love exploring the nuances of language, this video is for you. Let's unpack the layers of this phrase together and discover its various uses in English. When we say, you're the expert, we are literally acknowledging someone's expertise or superior knowledge in a particular area. This could be anything from cooking to quantum physics. It's a way of recognizing and respecting someone's skills or understanding in a specific field. For example, if you're trying to fix a computer and you're struggling, turning to a friend who is a computer technician and saying, you're the expert, implies that you believe they have the necessary knowledge and skills to solve the problem. Interestingly, this phrase can also be used figuratively or sarcastically. In a figurative sense, you're the expert might not literally mean the person is an expert in the field. Instead, it could imply that the person seems to have a strong opinion or believes they know a lot about the subject, whether or not they actually do. For example, if someone is giving unsolicited advice about a topic they're not actually knowledgeable about, a response of, you're the expert, could carry a tone of irony or sarcasm, subtly hinting that maybe they're not as knowledgeable as they think. Understanding whether you're the expert is meant literally or figuratively largely depends on the tone and context in which it's used. The speaker's tone of voice, facial expressions, and the overall situation play crucial roles in interpreting the meaning. A sincere tone and a supportive context likely indicate genuine respect for someone's expertise. Conversely, a sarcastic tone or a context filled with debate or disagreement might suggest the phrase is being used figuratively or sarcastically. Let's look at some examples to see how you're the expert can be used in everyday conversations. Literal use. At a wine tasting, you might say to a sommelier, you're the expert. Which wine do you recommend? Here, you're genuinely asking for expert advice. Figurative, sarcastic use. If a friend claims they can easily beat a professional-level video game on their first try, you might respond with, well, you're the expert, using a tone that suggests you doubt their claim but are amused by their confidence. Understanding the phrase, you're the expert, showcases the beauty and complexity of the English language, where meanings can shift based on tone and context. We hope this video has shed light on how this expression works and how you can use it or understand it better in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. Stay tuned for more insights into the English language, and happy learning!